Hyperparameters are going to be different for all the models that you work on. So here in time series, we're going to see its own set of hyperparameters. Nyan mentions the learning rate, which is usually associated with like neural networks, and as you go, other models will have different hyperparameters. And so as NSuite mentions, you can think of it as different dials that you can adjust, that you can do experiments on, right? What I tell my staff, the people that work for me, I tell them, let's make sure we always have a lever to pull on, right? You're only dead. Your model is only dead or useless when there's no more models. There's nothing else to adjust, right? So that's how you should be thinking about. So yeah, thinking about it as a dial, great way to think about it. Like I said, I call it levers. It gives you something to be able to experiment with. And that's another like synonym you should be thinking about for hyperparameters. There are ways for you to experiment. So you can see that here, right? In lines 7 and 8 of the code, they are picking 2 hyperparameters, and then this list is the different values they want to attempt for those hyperparameters. Said another way, these are the experiments that they want to try, right? This is how you actually set up your data experiments. So I really hope you guys are seeing like the parallels to the scientific method, right? These are the experiments. This is your experimentation phase.